Welcome back, everybody.
It is time now for better food, and we are standing right now in this amazing truck, the big green truck, and we're talking about pizza. Like, I mean, is it any better?
It's unbelievable. And we are joined by Joe Smith, who's, no, I'm just kidding, because their names are so hard, they knew I was going to screw it up. It's Anas Bonrachdi and Christian Chieppo. Did I get it right? Yay!
Hello, Connecticut.
Yay! Nice to see you guys. It's a pleasure.
Likewise, thank you.
Thanks so much for coming.
Yeah, thank you so much for being here. And, you know, we've had the privilege of trying this pizza at one of the Channel 3 Employee Appreciation Days. It's so incredible. But I hear when you started this, you were not into the idea of a food truck.
No.
You were like, no trucks, that's a dumb idea.
Yeah, it kind of was. You know, no one believed that it would take off the way it did. And now, this past Labor Day, 16 years.
16 years.
16 years.
Now, how does it work? You go all over Connecticut?
We cover the whole state.
The whole state. And people make reservations, the truck shows up, and you do a party?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
So if I'm having a big party, I can just
call us up, and the only thing you need to provide are beverages.
That's it.
That's it.
You provide all the food.
But it's not just a regular food truck where things are just kind of laid out and you're just making a sandwich. There is a wood-fired pizza oven in your truck.
Yes.
How did you do that?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Like, there's
the whole truck has been retrofitted.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes, yes.
What is the truck? It looks like a...
It is a this truck here, we have 5 of them. This is a 1948 International Harvester KB5.
Okay, so you have 5 of these pizza trucks that go across the state.
Yeah. Cover the whole
This is a
state.
major business.
It is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
This is great.
So it's not like you put that on, like you're driving down the road and the oven's part of the truck.
It is.
That's fantastic.
It's off, though.
You ever cook while you're driving?
No.
No. That would be
people always ask, you know, fire, gasoline, but it's totally separate, so.
That is great. Can you make a pizza for us?
I can,
absolutely.
Yeah. We have one in the oven right now.
And you said it takes, what, 2 minutes?
2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes
in
to
the
make the
oven.
whole pizza. All right.
Yeah.
So let's go.
We just put one in a second ago, but this, so you want me
I'm
to
gonna
do one of
have her
these?
make it.
Okay, good luck, Kara.
Yeah, no, so tell us about your special dough. Okay, all right. So first it goes on there.
Yeah. Just let's give it a little more flour here.
And you loved baking bread. That's how this all started. You had a thing for baking bread.
Doug did.
Oh, okay, Doug. Okay.
Yes.
The founder had a thing for baking bread.
Yes. Doug did. He made a little trailer out of bricks, and he went around and baked bread for people. And someone asked him if they would do pizzas.
That's so
And he was
beautiful.
a bit reluctant.
That's beautiful how you do this. I love that.
You make it look so easy.
Thank
and
you.
the sauce, everything's all fresh.
Yes.
Homemade.
Look at, oh my God, look at that, how beautiful. This
So
is,
if I was having
finished
you at a
product is over here.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Oh my
There you go.
God,
And
look at
Scott,
that.
you know, he's a critic because he's from New York, so he likes his.
He knows pizza.
He knows
I know,
pizza.
I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit.
Yeah,
It's
you might
literally
want to.
out of the oven.
But look at all these toppings. So if someone comes, if you're coming and setting up at our party, does each individual guest then kind of decide a pizza, or how does it work?
We'll start out by making a bunch of random different ones. Because if everybody wants their own pizza, it's going to take forever for the last person who ordered. It's going to be like a pizzeria. You have to go in order of the tickets. So we'll start out by making a bunch of random ones. We'll fill the table. Some people have special dietary needs, vegan, no cheese.
You do gluten?
You do that?
We do
also do that.
gluten-free.
You do gluten.
And
do.
dairy-free?
And dairy-free, yeah. I mean,
Vegan.
it's just, you know,
Okay.
no cheese,
Okay.
you know.
So you can have 5 trucks out in one day.
Exactly.
All over the
So
state of Connecticut.
Every day we could do 10 parties.
10 parties.
5
And do you
lunches, 5
Do you guys
dinners.
work together, or you are
We
off
do.
doing one truck and he's doing another?
We're both
No,
on the same
we're a
crew.
team.
You're both on the same team.
Yeah.
It's good to have a good team.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
All right, what do you got there now? What do you put?
This is, I'm going to do sausage.
Okay.
What else would you like on it?
A little broccoli.
Yeah,
Broccoli?
Broccoli would be good.
Okay.
I don't know. What about like artichokes? Would that be good?
Yeah, it would be delicious.
Yeah, I
Okay.
like artichokes.
I like a little
We can do
artichokes.
that.
Yum, yum,
Little
yum.
artichokes.
Maybe some fresh tomato too.
Fresh tomatoes. And again, give us the website because I want to make sure we got it because I think it's reversed, isn't it? It's Big Truck Pizza.
No.
What is
It's www.biggreentruckpizza.
BigGreenTruckPizza.com.
Yes.
So that's where we go, and we'll find all the reservation information and how to request you guys and get you coming to our party.
Do you have
Absolutely.
a way to track you so we know where it is? We can just come find you.
Yeah, like GPS.
Our boss can track us
And how
Where's
does
the
it
big
work?
drink truck?
Do you pay for like by hour or by the pizza or
by the head count.
by the head count?
Right.
Okay, so that's pretty good. So if
What's
you
your
have
minimum for a party?
The price starts at 50 people or less.
50 people or less.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so that's we got 20 seconds left. Scott, are you gonna?
20 seconds in the show?
Yeah.
Is that right, Jamie? No, that's not right. We got plenty of time.
Oh.
But I'm gonna eat.
I thought it.
And we also have a restaurant in New Haven called Next Door.
Next door. Oh, you do.
Yep.
Kara,
Okay. It shows that my IFB is crackling. I'm hearing wrong numbers.
give it a try.
I could stand here all day because this is really good pizza.
It's really hot.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so good though.
It's delicious. But
The crew, they're all dying. They're like, when is this show over so we can eat the pizza?
this is delicious. All right, give us the name of the website again.
www.biggreentruckpizza.com.
You got to check it out. All right.